Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2021 Buick Encore and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2021 Buick Encore location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2021 Buick Encore features fuses and relays that protect essential systems like the engine, transmission, and cooling fan. It is designed for easy access and maintenance, located near the battery. The fuse block includes high current protection circuits for safe operation of critical vehicle functions. Auxiliary fuse block. The auxiliary fuse block in the 2021 Buick Encore provides additional fuse protection for various interior and electrical components, such as the infotainment system and power outlets. It is located under the glove box for easy access. This fuse block supports lower current circuits, ensuring the safety and functionality of the vehicle's secondary electrical systems. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2021 Buick Encore controls fuses for interior electrical components like the dashboard, lighting, and climate control systems. Located on the driver's side of the instrument panel, it provides easy access for fuse maintenance. This fuse block helps manage and protect lower current circuits essential for everyday vehicle functions. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2021 Buick Encore provides protection for electrical components located at the rear of the vehicle, such as the tailgate, rear lighting, and rear power outlets. It is strategically located in the rear cargo area for convenient access. This fuse block safeguards important rear electrical circuits, ensuring consistent performance and protection from electrical overloads.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse. Low-profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse. Mega fuse. High amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.